Love being outdoors but don't love the intense sun? I'm Gracie with WTI, and these motorized shades from Yoolax have completely transformed our outdoor patio area with just a push of a button. What sold it for us is the seamless extra wide coverage, so no more having to piece multiple shades together. These are custom up to 16.4 feet wide. These have really helped our area to look more high-end and create more privacy from our neighbors. I love that I can also control everything right from my phone with the app and even set times of when I want these to open and close every day. And our all-time favorite feature is the fact that it has built-in solar panel recharging technology. So it has a clean, streamlined look. It's completely wireless, and I never have to worry about charging. We got the 5% openness in white, and we love that it helps to reduce that harsh morning sun while still allowing some natural light and being able to see our mountain views. It comes with digital instructions that were really easy to follow, and what's also nice is they have a magnetic weighted base, which helps to keep the shade stable on breezy days. These are truly high quality. The motor is extremely quiet, and these have just made it so much more enjoyable for us to be outside and keeps our porch much cooler, and that's our point of view.